In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export animations and GIF directly from Figma. By the end, you'll be able to turn your Figma frames into a looping GIF or an MP4 without leaving your design file, which is perfect for portfolio shots, social posts, or quick handoffs. First, open Figma and load the design where your animation lives. Make sure everything you want to show is on the canvas and ready. If you're turning a sequence into an animation, each moment should be on its own frame, arranged in the order you want it to play. Next, select all the frames you want to export as a GIF. You can shift-click to grab multiple frames or drag a marquee selection around them. For the cleanest result, try to keep all frames the same size and alignment, and name them clearly so you can track the sequence. Look to the right-hand sidebar and find the export section. Click to make the selected frames exportable. This doesn't save anything yet. It simply flags those frames so plugins can read them as assets. If you see options like scale, or suffix, you can ignore them for now. Our plugin will handle the final format. Now click the action icon below in that same area to open quick options. From there, choose plugins and widgets. This is where we'll access the tool that converts your frames into an animation. In the search field, type Tiny Image Compressor. This plugin can compress images and, importantly for us, create animations directly from selected frames. Launch it from the results. If it's your first time using it, a brief setup prompt may appear. Just proceed to open the plugin window. Inside Tiny Image, look for the Create GIF Watch MP4 option and click it. The plugin reads your selected frames and lines them up. Here, you can usually pick between GIF or MP4, set the frame rate for speed, choose whether the animation loops, and adjust the output size. A quick tip: GIFs are great for sharing and auto-looping, while MP4s tend to look smoother and weigh less. If the preview plays too fast or slow, tweak the frame rate until it feels right. When you're satisfied, click Export. Choose a destination on your computer, give the file a clear name, and save. After exporting, open the file to review the timing, edges, and quality. If the file size is large, try reducing dimensions or lowering the frame rate and export again for a leaner result. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.